x is displacement, like distance. In this simple harmonic motion SHM, equation of SHM is with displacement. It means x equal to displacement equal to a sine omega t plus phi. This a is amplitude, maximum displacement. Now what is difference in maximum displacement and this displacement? It means if this is pendulum like swing, it is doing movement like this. So sometime this may be here. This is maximum displacement called a amplitude. Suppose this pendulum is at any time at this place, so this distance is x, and total distance displacement is a, that is amplitude. So we are finding this x means displacement at any time, and this is equation. Omega is angular velocity, sometimes termed as frequency, angular frequency. Now the same application and equation is applicable for current. Current I equal to I0. I0 is maximum current, peak value current. Voltage V0 is maximum voltage, peak voltage. Sometimes here displacement is written by x and sometimes written by y. So this y is same as x. It means we can say this x or we can say this y. But maximum displacement will be a, that is amplitude. Sometimes we term the maximum displacement as r. So here y equal to r, it means amplitude is r and displacement is y. Same thing. Now here use of this equations, so we use that. In one question it is given that x is equal to 5 centimeter. It means there is a pendulum. It can move up to maximum 10 centimeter, but at some time it is at 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter and can move up to 10 centimeter. So this distance is 5 centimeter. Amplitude 10 centimeter. It means its maximum displacement can be 10 centimeter. And this is at 5 centimeter. Time 0. This time and this time is different. This time is time period. It means time period is 6 seconds. It means that from mean position it comes and return back. This is called time period. Or in circular motion, if the person is coming from here and reach at the same place, this is called time period. It means 6 seconds is the time when one revolution is completed, one rotation is completed. Here x is 5 centimeter and maximum displacement 10 centimeter. At time 0, it means when this starts rotating, time is 0 and it takes 6 seconds to complete one rotation. Now we have to calculate different topics, different question, different factors.